Alright guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I want to show you room in Wolfe's hotel Moab. Let's go and see. Should be quite nice hotel. Should be, let's go and see the room. Okay, let's go. Hello, how are you?
How are you doing?
That's the reception, right?
Yes. Yes.
Nice. Look at this, very nice hotel. Elevator. Oh, it's one elevator. Second floor. Wow, look at this wooden ceiling. It's quite new hotel. It was built a year ago. They've got some good deals
Second floor.
for rooms. Now is I think 50% off. Oh, look at this, what they've got. They've got coffee machine. My room number is 209. And where is it actually? 209, maybe here. 208, 209, yes. What is that? Oh, there's hearing impaired, okay. Wow, nice yellow doors. Wow, look at this. It's very nice. It's cold, oh my god. It's too cold. Where is the light? Okay, so this is my room. It's quite nice, new. I don't know how to turn on the lights, so that's the problem. That's the bathroom here. Nice wooden doors. It's high quality actually. It was one of the cheapest hotels here in Utah. And there is a hair dryer, of course. Moab, Utah. Quite good standard. Look at this, chairs. What else? Look at this. I wanna turn it on if it's working. Yeah, it should work. So let's see. Let's go. You have to how to turn it on. Is it only decorations? Wow. This is pretty cool. First time I see something like this in a hotel. Okay, let's go and see the pool. This is very nice. Bed is nice. It's quite dark, but bed is nice. This is good quality wooden alarm clock. Another one, a book. Two lights. I don't know how to turn them on. Kto włączył budzik w hotelu? Water dispenser. What do we got here? Pool exit. Ah, the pool is outdoor. Wow, it's really nice. Jacuzzi and a pool. Wow, that's amazing. And there is a sauna. That's pretty cool. It is on, off actually. And there is a bar and breakfast. I like this.